guys, I have been shopping a bit lately, so I have a random haul to show you. Things from Amazon, Zia, Barnes & Noble, Ulta, Hot Topic, and Goodwill. So I love Gilmore Girls. It's one of my favorite shows. This t-shirt has been sitting in my shopping cart for a while. Babette ate oatmeal. This was in the episode Tale of Two Pose or something like that. There was a fire at the inn and Kirk was trying to sell like topical t-shirts of things that happened that day. And I think this was in the beginning of the episode. So I got this in a men's medium. I prefer men's shirts because they don't have like that weird, like it's a slim fit and then it's like too long but it's too tight, and like if you have boobs. Women's t-shirts are just not comfortable for me. And it was $12.99 with free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. I received this in like 2 days. So if you saw my Zia haul, I hauled a couple of VHS tapes. I don't have a VHS player, but if I really love a movie, I will purchase the VHS tape just to collect. So I love this movie. I've loved it for years. Working Girl. I actually don't own it on DVD. I don't even know if there's a Blu-ray. It stars Harrison Ford, Melanie Griffith, and Sigourney Weaver, and it's just, to me, like a perfect 80s movie. It says, for anyone who's ever won, for anyone who's ever lost, and for anyone who is still in there trying. It's one of those like inspirational, ambitious movies where like someone comes from the bottom and works their way up. It's from 1988 and I found it at Goodwill for 69 cents. It's still in good condition, so this is gonna go on my shelf for my background. And then my daughter wanted to go to Barnes & Noble to get a manga, and I was browsing like sorry, this mock neck is like so tight. I got this top at Ross. It's side boob. It's a one shoulder knit top. And I already filmed this fashion haul video. I just need to edit it, so stay tuned for that. It was like under 10 bucks. So Dominique was browsing the manga section, and I like to browse like the bargain section, but I found this. It's called Simple Organizing by Melissa Michaels. And usually these books are like fluffy, but this one's like really good. So many categories: entrances, living spaces, kitchen and dining room, master bedroom, bathrooms, kids rooms, home and office, and creative spaces. It has a lot of categories and info and details. There's some photos in it. Like, I like books with pictures that are also informational, and it's simple. Like, this is, I don't know, these kind of books, like this is the layout I like. I don't know what this originally retailed for, but I got it for $7, and then Dominique picked up one manga. And I just found one thing at Ulta. My recent vlog, by the way, thank you for the sweet comments on that vlog. I wasn't sure if I wanted to upload that because, I don't know, my life is not exciting at this age, but I hauled 2 KKW Beauty lipsticks, and then I went back and then they had more of her stuff, so I got the palette. This is a classic Blossom palette, but I have another one like when it was on like 21 Days of Beauty, and I got it for half off, and I thought this was the same palette because of the packaging, but it's not. And it retails for $45 and it was on sale for $11.25, and they're beautiful shades. And I already love the other palette I have of hers. These are like the other colors that one was missing. So if you put these two palettes together, you have like a perfect palette. Perfect everyday neutral glam palette. It's so pretty. I went back to Zia Records. This is a bag that I already had. Now they're charging 10 cents for their bags like they do in California. So I said no bag. So I just used my same bag. So I went with my daughter. Usually when I go shopping, like if it's a place that she wants to go, she'll tag along. If it's like Ulta or Sephora, she's like, no, Mom. She picked out a Deadpool Funko Pop, and I keep saying Deadpool. This is their Funko Pride Pop. So my daughter came out and she wanted a gay Deadpool, that's what she said. This was $10.99. I had points on my Zia account, so I got this for 50% off. I was just walking by and this record caught my eye. I don't have a record player, I don't own any records, but I just thought this was really cool. I texted my boyfriend, I was like, who is this? He says he's a jazz guitarist. It's Tony Mottola. I thought it said Tommy Mottola. I just thought it was such a cool cover. I'm gonna use this to hang in my desk area. I love how vintage and stylish it looks. This was $4.99. I picked up 2 DVDs. This is Mona Lisa's Smile. I really love this movie. I think that every high school girl should watch this movie. I would love to review this one day. I think I'm gonna show this movie to my daughter. This was marked $3.99 and it was on sale for 99 cents. And Julia Roberts stars in it and just about like every young actress at the time. Next, I found another like really cool horror compilation. It says 3 classic movies, Ghost Killers, Tormented, Nightmare Castle, and The Spirit Hunter. 2 of them are in black and white, one of them's in color. I have never heard of any of these. Definitely gonna review one of these for 31 Days of October. I'm still trying to find movies that I want to review for that. So this was marked $4.99 and it was on sale for 99 cents. And then the last store I found stuff in, which I was really surprised by that I found stuff at Hot Topic. I went in for Dominique. She usually finds a t-shirt there. While she was looking around, I went to the clearance section. I love clearance. And it was like buy one, get one for $1. So I picked up 2 t-shirts for myself. So I found Garbage Shirt. This was a photo from version 2.0. I saw them when they went on tour for this album a long time ago. And I had a shirt from the concert, but it got all messed up. The same photo, but a gray shirt. And I'm so glad to have another one. I love them. I haven't heard their new stuff yet. This is in a large and it was $16.99. And then the next shirt I got is Nick Cage from Mandy. I absolutely hate this movie. I really hate Mandy, but the toilet scene is one of the most hilarious scenes I've ever seen. If you've seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is just a bloody Nick Cage from Mandy. And this is also in a large. I tried on the medium over my clothes and I don't know, it fits so weird. It's like so high on the neck and like if you have boobs, it bunches higher at the neck and then it's like super tight right here. So whatever the print is, it looks distorted and then it fits everywhere else. I love this shirt. And this was also $16.99. So I bought one for $16.99. I got the second for $1, but the way they broke it down was one was $9, one was $8.99. So that is it for my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support and I'll see you in my next video.